Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video, we will see how to create on-demand backup using AWS backup. So if you have seen the previous video, this would make more sense to you. If you have not seen the previous video, I would request you to please go back and watch the video, the first video that I have made on the AWS backup, and go watch it and then come back and see this video. And if you have seen the previous video, so you can continue with this video now. So let me just log on to the portal and take it from there. I'm logged on to the AWS portal, and we created one instance. We configured the backup plan, backup role assignment. We set up the schedule to back up the EC2 instance weekly. So the schedule has been set, and it would back up the instance weekly every Saturday or Sunday. If you would see the backup plan and click on it, you would see the backup rule. It would weekly on Sunday 5 a.m. UTC as per the rule. Now, if you want to go to the protected resources, and if you there are no protected resources as of now, and if you want to create an on-demand backup, come under the AWS backup service by going through the services provided by AWS. On the left pane, you would see the protected resources section. On this, you would see a tab called Create On-Demand Backup. Click on Create On-Demand Backup, and your resource type would be EC2, and it will load the instance ID here. Create the backup now, customize the backup window. I want to create a backup now. It should expire days after creation 1. You can set up weeks, month, year. I'm going to expire it after 1 day. The backup vault is default, or you can use the existing backup vault that you have created, or you can create a new one as well. And if you have set up the RBAC and the in-depth role, you can select a specific role. You want to assign tags, you can do it. I'm going with the default role here. Click on create an on-demand backup here. So now you would see under jobs, you are automatically routed to the jobs option, and the backup jobs, it is running. Status is created. The job is getting created, and the job would run, and your EC2 instance would be backed up. And as soon as your EC2 instance would be backed up, you would see the backup here, backup jobs completed, and the copy jobs, if you would have the copy here. And once this is done, so if you would see the backup job ID here, the status is still running, this backed up. When it will be completed, you will see the status as completed, and then after you can restore the backup from here as well. If you want to stop the job in between, you can click up the stop option that you see on the top right hand side, just below the name, region, and the support option. So that is how you trigger the on-demand backup for your AWS resources. It can be a DynamoDB, it can be an EFS, EBS volume, it can be an EC2 instance, or it can be a storage gateway. So I hope you liked this video. In the next video, we will see how to restore the backup after the backup job is done. And if you have any queries, any feedback, please mention them in the comment section. And I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.